Grounded for 123 years!
I'm escaping without you.
Jennifer! How dare you escape the asylum without me! That's it. You're grounded for 299,284,849,101 years!
Ducky! You flew to Tokyo without permission? You are grounded for 1,000,000...
Hello? Can I get 1,000,000,000 grilled chicken sandwiches, 2 billion waffle fries, 200,000 spicy chicken sandwiches, and 1 trillion
Jennifer, how dare you order so much at Chick-fil-A? That's it, you're grounded for 1 decillion years!
Next, please.
Jennifer! How dare you try to travel to Orlando all by yourself? That is it, young lady. You are grounded for 123,456...
Look! How dare you try to travel to Orlando all by yourself? That is IT, young man! You are grounded for 123,456,789 years!
Oh... Purchase complete.
Yes, time for a vacation.
Huh? $1 billion? Jennifer, I'm coming for you!
Mom?
You stole my card? You're grounded for infinity years! Iceberg ahead! We're gonna hit it! Ah! You swiped my card?
You swiped my card?
Yes, new high score.
Peppa, 4 hours of
I'm about to break
brain
1,000,000. That's enough. Hand it over.
ペパ、もう4時間もゲームしてるのよ。
終わり。タブレットを待ちなさい。
スペラ、今日はこれでおしまいよ。
Purchased a whole city, all mine.
10 to the $303? Jennifer, I'm on my way.
Huh? Mom?
You bought an entire city with my card? You're grounded for absolute infinity years.
Does that...
10 to the 303rd credits. 5. I'm on my way.
Mom?
You bought an entire city with my card. You're grounded for absolute infinity.
Huh? Mom? You bought an entire city with my card? You're grounded.
Purchased. A whole city. Mine.
10 to the 300... What? 5. I'm on my way.
Vacation.
5. You bought a whole city with my card. You're grounded for absolute years.
Покупка завершена.
Да! Каникулы ждут. Время отдыхать.
Что? $1 миллиард? Дженнифер, я сейчас приеду.
Мамочка!
Ты украла мою карту! Ты наказана на бесконечные годы!